Right, hello people. Just thought I'd show you this in this lovely aluminium case which I received. It's the Terratek 3.6 volt lithium battery rechargeable screwdriver. It's got a torch on the front and it goes front and reverse, and it came fully charged. I've got this one. This one actually came from Amazon, and I'm very pleased with it because look at all these pieces that came with it in this lovely aluminium case. All the bits that you need, every single screwdriver piece and attachment that you would need, I would imagine. The proof, as they say, is in the pudding. So we see how this one does. Right, I'll use the door handle and I'll take a normal screw, just move the camera. Let's see how this maybe performs. Just fucking fine. If you can see that, screwed out pretty quick. See if I can screw it back in. Screw it back in. And there we have it. The Terratek 3.6 volt rechargeable cordless screwdriver, and it's a decent bit of kit. Thank you for watching and goodbye.